Hey guys, Visapolo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 125th skill high grade Gundam Marchosias. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, I am really excited to get this guy building because, well, this is a IBO kit, and you guys know now I love IBO. Well, not crazy other people, but you know what? It's fine. I love IBO. So when seeing a new Gundam frame means it's nice kits to build. Now I know that Marchosias has been around for some time, maybe about since March, so it's about 2 or 3 months already since it came out. But unfortunately, I was overseas at the time, and I wasn't able to get this get hands on it. So and the fact that the lockdown was going on at the time, so the shop was closed until last Friday. And boy, I tell you, the hobby shop was filled with people. I think on the first day itself. I actually went today, which is a Wednesday, and there's not a lot of people that started at the day. So I think I'm kind of happy that I went to the store later. Actually, in fact, this is actually a birthday exchange gift from my friend Ray. So thank you Ray so much for the Marchosias. I'll put a link in the channel below. Go check him out. He's a very good friend of mine. Do support him. He's just starting doing unboxing reviews. So give him support if you can. So let's go unboxing. So yes, this the box art. This is not the usual box art we see. And in fact, now from now on, when IBO kits are reissued, the format is slightly different. Basically now it does not show the pilot on the box anymore. And I mean this is fine because Marchosias doesn't really have a pilot. I mean, it has a pilot, but we don't know who the pilot is at the time, and the climbing war happened. Okay, but yeah, I know. I've heard this kit isn't that great, but you know what? I love the kit. I love the design, so I don't care whether it's good or bad. I just want to build this kit, get it out of the way, and make a review of this, and make it happy. So alright, so let's unbox. So yeah, I mean the box is not the usual. I mean it's slightly different. I mean it is different actually. The style of drawing is slightly different. It's more different. Basically Marchosias. But I mean, I know there's HGIBO coming out in August, which I will be getting because it comes out on their birthday month. So yeah. So yeah, Marchosias. Here you go. On the side here we have stuff you can do, the actions, pose, and here and there. So it has 4 daggers and a mace, which is a sheath for a sword. It's pretty interesting. I really like that. And on the side here we have the binders. You get 4 sub art in this here. It's pretty neat. I've seen MJ's 24 guys reviews, and I think Mega as well. But yeah, I still like it no matter what. Yep. So that's what we can do. And here's the front and back shot of the Marchosias. It's a blur about Marchosias itself, because if you want. Doesn't mention the price, but it is 2,200 yen if I am not mistaken. Alright, let's open the box. Let's cut the tape open and sit inside. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First up, we have the C1 runner, which is a multicolor runner. Sticker sheet, yeah, I knew this from the start. It's not going to be best in color separation, but I can paint, so I have no issue with that. So now that I see it, the red is much more. It's not really a pure red. It's more of like a red with hint of pink. It's almost salmon if I put it that way. You get the a lot of details, pretty neat. The yellow piece. I'm kind of curious how I'm gonna cut the V-fin, because the V-fin is a little bit tricky to cut. Let me see. Give me a moment to check the V-fin real quick. I want to see how I'm gonna cut this thing. This is gonna be tricky to cut. Damn, I don't know how to cut this V-fin. Yeah, I'll put it later. I'll think about it later. Okay. Next back we have the C2 plate, which is the more multicolored parts. You got the daggers, you got the gray parts, and you got the feet, and some binders. And you get the A plate, which is the Gundam frame, as we all got to know and love. Nice. Next back we have the B2 plate, and this is not the usual not the usual white. It's actually a white with a hint of purple in there. This is the kind of this, and by the way, this is the purple I'm talking about. This is the color I'm talking about when they made the Kimar when they made the Kimaris. I mean, the Kimaris is slightly grayish but hint purple, but this is the color I expect for the Kimaris, to be honest. And there's the B1 plate, and there's the polycast, and a little warped, but it's alright. And the last part, we have another B1 plate, and then you have the B3 plate. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's put it aside, and let's go on to the manual. Yep. No, but IBOK for a couple of years. Actually, no. The last IBOK I built was the Italian. That was like last year. Was it last year? Oh, this year, I can't remember. But I built the Italian. That was so I just did a new kit really. So yeah, so we can possibly read whatever you want. You done? Good. Okay. So yep, instructions are pretty much the same. I'm not gonna go through the inside, but there's a manual if you want to take a look at it. But again, more blows you want to read, pause and read if you want. And yeah, it's the usual Iron Dolphins build. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the high-grade Marchosias. I am really excited to get this building. Not immediately. Actually, I want to get some of the kids out of the way first before I actually build the Marchosias. Marchosias are gonna be. It can wait. I just have to get myself building first. Other kids first, then I'll get the guy building. So don't expect a review anytime soon, but I'm very sure I'll make a review of this someday. So do it. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.